Richard Perry suffers from benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, an enlargement of the prostate resulting in decreased urinary flow and poor bladder emptying. It is a common and debilitating condition for men as they age. Patients with BPH experience many more urgent trips to the bathroom, especially at night, causing sleep disturbances, fatigue, and overall reduced vitality.
I'd find myself not getting a good night's sleep because I'd have to get up through the night. It would take a lot longer to go. You'd have to go a lot more often. And you're unable to sleep right through the night because you're constantly getting up and going to the washroom.
When the prostate is enlarged, the passageway through which urine empties from the bladder is obstructed. Patients may experience weak or interrupted urine streams, dribbling, pain upon urination, or even blood in the urine. More than an inconvenience, BPH can lead to serious medical conditions such as bladder infections, bladder stones, urinary tract infections, and renal impairment. A novel new treatment is available to treat the signs and symptoms of BPH, improving urine flow within hours.
Rapid flow is an example of an alpha blocker, and the alpha blockers relax the channel so that the urine can pass more freely, opens it up. It's an example of a highly selective alpha blocker which really only targets the bladder and prostate rather than targeting organs in other parts of the body, and because of that it has a very low side effect profile and is very well tolerated by the patients. In clinical studies we've shown that rapid flow is actually active on the alpha receptors within a few hours of the patient taking the first dose. So they're going to get very early symptom relief, and the drug is very effective. Even within the first week the patients will see a remarkable change in their symptoms. Some of them have been getting up 4 and 5 times a night and are now down to once a night, so they feel remarkably better the next day.
Patients should speak to their physician about the symptoms of BPH and the treatment options available to help successfully manage this condition.